Indaba kaMaseko neMamelodi Sundowns bafowethu iba worse. uMaseko attract interest laphana e-Europe, eDenmark, nakwamanye ama-countries a-different laphana e-Europe, even nalana e-Africa, even locally u-attract interest. Amanye ama-reports aphumayo ukuthi ne-team enkulu yala e-Africa i-Al Ahly iyamfuna umfana, but iMamelodi Sundowns ibhlokhe straight uMaseko ukuthi ajoyine i-Al Ahly cause ijona ayithengiseli ama-rivals wayo. Same thing lento eyenza lana eSouth Africa, if ine-clause ne-player ukuthi akumele ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates unless lo clause ayikho in place. Mina ngisasho namanje bafethu uMaseko akana-space ku-Sundowns, bamtshela ukuthi abasamfuni, only for yena uMaseko ukuthi avumbuke out of nowhere. Manje i-Sundowns ifuna ukuba ne-say ukuthi imbhlokhe, even when ama-team they were willing to match ilona, because Al Ahly kuthiwa they are willing to match le mali lefunwa i-Sundowns, but i-Sundowns ayikho interested. Yabona leso kuwukumbulala-ke bafowethu, phela ngeke kanje. Ngeke awumfuni lo muntu lo, awumfuni. Club World Cup bekangekho, ama-competitions amaningi akawadlalanga, i-game time yakhe limited. There was a time even ku-DDC akusiyi-player leli abalidingayo ku-Sundowns, and I like the fact that uMaseko ubatshelile ku-Sundowns ukuthi ayikho i-future yakhe laphana ku-Sundowns. So ufuna ukumake sure ukuthi yena uyahamba uyodlala ibhola lana bazoma-appreciate khona, because ku-Sundowns is not guaranteed ukudlala, futhi not just guaranteed, is not even part of i-plan laka-coach uMiguel Cardoso. Mekhuluma ne-media senza ngathi uMaseko uyi-part of i-team yakhe. Wenza ayikho into ekanjalo, siyazi sonke, siyazi nempumputhe bafethu iyabona ukuthi uMaseko asikho ispace sakhe ku-Sundowns, cause badlala different man. Ulona une-style esi-different, unama-player wakhe awathembayo akholelwa kuwo, hhayi uMaseko. Noma ungaba talented ku-Sundowns akusho ukuthi uzodlala ngoba uMiguel Cardoso une-style sakhe esi-different than lesi thina esisijwayele. Sithemba ukuthi indaba yaMaseko bazoyisolva fast, but yena-ke there's no turning back, uyayishiya i-Sundowns.